specified. In this syntax, what is happening? I just written it. Lot of examples also covered. And here, strobj of string, no beginning, no ending. So that will take first character to last character. First to last, that will take everything. Some miscellaneous examples also I covered. So now Tuesday has come and I will start going for syntax number 5. It's the most important. If you look at syntax, students, I'll write one important note point here. The syntax number 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Syntax number 5 I am about to talk. Syntax number 1, syntax 1, syntax 2, syntax 3, syntax 2. Next is called what you know, syntax 3 and syntax 4. Getting the data, getting the characters, getting the values from where? Getting the values from which object? Main str object. Main str object. In what order? What order it is coming? Come on. In which type of direction it is coming? Forward direction. Getting the values from str object. In which direction? Forward direction. Forward direction. I hope you are getting it. So, and how these values are coming? Value by value, character by character. I mean, first 0, 1, 2, 3, like that. Next is what? -6, -5, and next -4, -3, -2, -1. Which direction? So it is 0 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, like that. -6 plus 1, -5 plus 1, -4 plus 1, -3 plus 1, like that. What is the default way of moving? +1 incrementation, correct? With default incremented value, with a default step, I can say, with a default step value 1. So here the step value is called 1. Step means what? The difference between two consecutive indexes is called what here? Step. Already we are started from now the step. Python is coming. Python index is 0, y is 1, next to 2, like that. What is the incrementation of each letter index? +1. What is the default step value here? 1. Did you understand? This note point. So this step value 1 indicates, 1 means what? +1 only. +1 always gives you any step value with plus symbol that gives you which direction? Forward direction. This point already we learned it. Now today we are learning great syntax and it is a little confusing. I hope you already practiced it. Once you practice this entire things, and it is going to be dead easy today. If you did not practice or anybody did not attend the last class, that will be definitely difficult for them. I hope the people who did not attended on Saturday, maybe anything is there today? Anybody is there today? Saturday option today present? Maybe there they are not raising the hand. Why? They know the reason. They know the reason. It was better not to raise the hand. Better not to raise the hand. If you raise the hand, today you are just supposed to see only something. You will not understand 100%. Come to the point. strobj of I am writing begin colon end colon step. Begin colon end colon step. Most important. Syntax number 5 depends on syntax number 4 and 3, 2, 1. If you are absent on Saturday, today class you forget. Almost today class forgetting means Monday onwards. Monday anyhow holiday. And today if you come only newly, definitely will not understand 100%. That will give you a lot of problems in the further classes. There is no doubt in that. Now I'm going to start with, and these are original talks to you. Here, rule number 1 I am writing. Here, the values of begin, comma, end, and what? Step. The values of begin, comma, end, and step can be either positive, or what? Negative. Either positive or what? Negative. The values of begin, end, step can be either positive or what? Negative. Can be either positive or negative. Now I am writing first with what? Step value with positive. This entire syntax is totally depends on what? Step value here. Rule number 2 and 3 are very, very important. Now I am going to say, first thing I am going to talk about the step. The most importance in this syntax is step number 5. Now I am writing, if the value of step is, what? Positive, then PVM gets the chars or what? Values from where? strobj in strobj from where? Begin index to end -1 index. In which direction? Forward direction. By maintaining step value. Provided this is a very important condition that you have already seen in the last class, Saturday class. Provided begin less than what? End. Begin less than end. This is the ultimate rule. This is called rule number 2. Let me go for the diagram now. All of you open the diagram. Diagram is there with you. Open the diagram. If you are coming only today, don't see any diagram. Try to do some meditation. So, if you look at the diagram unnecessarily, you will get doubts. Who will clarify your doubts? Problem. If you are there on the Saturday session, then you can open the diagram and see that. Today, my requirement is what? So far, what we used to do? PYT, THON, HON, ON, YTHO. Like that, we retrieved the data in which direction? Forward direction. What is the step there? +1. Plus symbol indicates which direction? Good. Forward direction. Coming to the point back, here I am going to write it. Today my requirement is what? P, T, O. I want. Which direction? Good. Where are you starting from? 0. To where I am saying? No. 5. Comma what? You observe it. 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2. 2 plus 2. 4 plus 2. 6 is not there. That means it will stop at which position? 4 only. 5 minus 1. What I am writing, comma, 2 I am writing. 2 means which 2? Plus 2. What is this plus 2 called? Step. Plus, first you have to verify the value of what? Step. Plus 2 means which direction? From where? 0 to 4 minus 1. What step? Plus 2. That indicates 0 to, I will write 5 minus 1. That indicates what? 0 to 4. 0 to 4 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is our step value? Starting from what are you adding? Plus 2. What is the value? 2. What are you adding again? Plus 2. What is the value now? Next, what are you adding? Plus 2. What it becomes? 6. Do you have 6 here? No. What is the data coming? 0th letter, second letter, fourth letter. What are the values? PTO. Did you understand that? Good. Go to the place. Now I am writing S is equal to Python. S is equal to Python. Print of S comma type of S. Type of S. S of 1 minute students. 2:5. What is the answer? 2:5. Come on. THO. Which direction? That means I did not write what value there. Step I did not write. If I don't write the step, what is the default value of step? +1. What is the default value of step? +1. Which direction? Forward direction. Good. See the answer now. THO. Now I will write, students, careful. 1 I am writing. 1. What is the answer? Same answer only. Same answer. Answer is what? THO. Clarity is there? One more time. Colon, colon. What is that before the colon? Begin. No begin. No begin means which character? First character. No ending also. Colon. I am writing one more colon. Why I am writing second colon? To write the step. No step is writing. What is the step value? +1. From where to where? 0 to first to which direction? What is the answer? Good. Clarity is there? Okay. One more time. 2:, what I specified? Beginning. Which one I did not specify? Ending. Which one I did not specify? Ending. :1. Come on. Beautiful. Beautiful. Got it up? Okay. Next, I will take up S of 1:6:2. 1:6:2. 1:6:2. Look at 1 minute, mom. 1:6:2. 1 to 6 minus 1 first. 1 to 5. What is the step value? +2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7. 7 is not there now. What is the answer? Why? Come on. Right. YHN. Did you understand? Students in online. I hope no more doubt, no more confusion in this rule. Can I ask one more question? Look at. See, what is the condition is written? Begin less than end. Otherwise, already you know this. Otherwise, we get space or what as a result. Simple. That quotes as a result. As a result. Do you know this? Well, be careful, students. S of 6:1:2. Come on. How do you know? Just immediately I'm asking, that's why. 1 minute, mom. 1 minute. First, I will see the step. Step is what? 2. Which direction? Positive. Immediately, I will check the condition. What is the condition? 6 less than 1? False. Answer is no output. That is space. Got it or not? Yes. Now I am writing 0:4:3. 0:4:3. Answer, please. Answer. H. PH or H? Answer. Somebody saying PO, somebody saying H, somebody saying PH. Answer. Sure. Yes, PH. Said very clearly. 3 means what? Plus. 0 to where? 4 minus 1. Again, I am saying 0 to what? 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. What is the step value? Plus 3. 0 plus 3. 3 plus 3. What is the answer now? 0, 1 and 3. What is the answer now? pH. If you go to any written test, compulsory question. Compulsory. They don't ask small questions. They will ask very complicated questions. When you know this type of knowledge, then only you can understand. Otherwise, you take any outsider, they don't know. Even the same institute, other batch students, you take it, they don't know. Virtually, you take that competition always. Next, yes of, now I am writing colon 3. Colon 3. Come on. Right, pH. So if you say wrong answer, I'm not going to correct because that stage is already crossed. Now I am writing danger question. Now I am writing minus 6 colon minus 1 colon 1. PYTHO. Good. What is the step value? Plus 1. 1 got plus 1. Which direction? Forward direction. Values from minus 6 to minus 1 minus 1. Minus 6 to minus 2. What is the data? PYTHO. Are you getting? Well, now I am writing 2. What is the answer now? Quickly. Beautiful. PTO. Got it? Okay. Now I am asking one beautiful question. Beautiful question. Minus 6 colon minus 6 colon. Answer. Beautiful. Minus 6 colon 3. Come on. Good. Good. Okay. Next I am going to write it some minus 4 colon 2. Come on. TO or PO. Space up. Eh? TO. Shall we write? Shall we TO or PO? TO. Go. T. Tiger lion. No. Answer is what? TO. I understand because T tiger, L lion, that is for illiterates you have to say. When you say the answer, I will understand. Come on, answer is what? TO. Are you following? Yes. Now be careful. Now I am going to say minus 100 colon minus 100 colon. Answer is what? Super. Minus 100 colon 3. Come on. Okay, very good. PYT. If we are odd man out, I will be backside chairs are ready. So answer is what? pH. Okay, good. Now I am asking one more question. Complicated question. Colon 100. Python. Okay. Colon 3. Come on. Colon 4. PO. Good. Now I am writing minus 100 colon just colon. What is this minus 100 called? Begin. What is this 100 called? And what is that step I did not write? Plus 1. Which direction? Beautiful. Beautiful. Got it. Now I am writing something like 5. Answer. P. N. Last student. What is going on is thinking. Somebody says PN, somebody says PO. What is going on this side? Not getting it. Are you feeling like that or not? Like that, no? Yes, I understand. That's why he should not be absent. Saturday, underground, huh? Underground? You are there in the class? That's what. Bitra చూపులు చూస్తున్నావు నువ్వు. I call like that. It's correct or not, I don't know. Is it correct? Okay. So see, because of 1 day absence, how many problems you are getting. Complete this class, you will not understand. Monday also problem. Whenever this concept will come, you will remember the fantastic Saturday. Underground activities only. Because of that short term underground activity, I'm losing my subject. Like, subject is power, students. Whoever is absent on the Saturday, out. Totally out. Okay. Now, are you comfortable? Now, very powerful screen now. Yes of 1 colon minus 1 colon, like this. 1 colon minus 1 colon. Why? YTHON. Saturday. Answer. YTHO. Sure. Good. Good boys, girls. Because even one girl answer wrong, complete answer is wrong only. That is 100%. Okay. Next. Be careful. Now I am writing. 2. Come on. Why? YH. Here only there. Y and then H. So next. S of, be careful, minus 6 colon 6 colon 6 colon. Good. What is the step? +1. Which direction? Super. Now I am writing here. Minus 5 colon minus 100 colon minus 5 colon 100 colon 3. YO. YO answer or YO na? YO is the answer. Somebody saying YN. Go to out of order. So answer is what? YO. Are you confident? Okay. Now last and final. 0 colon minus 1 colon 2. 0 colon minus 1 colon 2. PTO. Beautiful. Nice, students. Keep it up. This is called first rule completed. Now I'm second rule completed. This is related to what? Rule number 2. Rule 2 examples. Rule 2 examples. Are you confident enough? Good. You see any of the good company papers, STR, OB, any question comes, if you solve it, anything you can answer it. Okay. So here I'll adjust my data. So here, online students, are you confident enough in this case of rule 1? Now rule 2, if you catch it, rule 3. Yes, rule 3. It is going to be little tricky and a little, of course, you can follow when you are answering these many. Simple thing. Next also easy. Let me adjust this data quickly, then I'll move forward. Once you understand this concept, further same mechanism will come on other data types also. This memory management is common for most of the data types. Every data type. In data science, full stack Python, everywhere else you will get the same type of mechanism, students. Now, coming to the place. Now here I will adjust it. Actually, I need not adjust. You can write it, but you are new to me. First few days, I'll adjust this data. Then I'll move to the further. Are you writing notes? Is all of them getting notes in your link? Good. So, getting this value here. Now I'm going to the rule number. So, Another one I am going to say 3. Third rule I am going to say, be careful. No more discussions here. When you discuss now, unnecessarily you will get error. That understanding student also will get error. Not knowing student discussing, it will become not knowing. Something like that. So coming to the rule 3 example. Rule 3 example. Rule 3 example. So say rule 3 examples. So let us look into that rule 3 example, students. Careful guys, all of you. In this case, if the step value is what? Positive. Now I am writing, if the value of step is negative, very big confident. Now I am going to take like this. Look at, my interest is to take what? My interest is to take what? NOH. NOH, which direction? Backward direction. I want to take OHT. I want to take something like TYP. I want to take something like what? NOHT. I want to take NHY. I want to take OTP. I want to take what now? NY. I want to take it as what? NP. Which direction these are all? Backward direction is always indicated with what? Generally, students are saying, since you are writing negative indexes, they are saying backward direction. That is a blunder. And you have seen already positives, negatives, combinations, everything I used it. Now, students, be careful, ma. Let me write the rule. If the value of step is called what? Negative, then PVM takes, little careful, PVM takes characters. PVM takes the chars or what? Values. Chars or what? Values. From where? strobj from 1 minute. You don't say. I'm saying now. If you are saying, you come to the class and you teach. Begin to end plus 1. End plus 1. Be careful. End plus 1. In which direction? Backward direction. This is the careful. Confusing also. Backward direction. Backward direction. By maintaining step value. By maintaining what? Step value. Provided begin greater than what? End. Otherwise we get space or what? Like this as a result. Are you following me? Right. If the value of step is negative, then PVM takes the chars or values from strobj from begin to end plus 1 in backward direction by maintaining step value, provided begin greater than end. Otherwise, we get what? Space as a result. I will explain. You don't try anything by yourself. I'll tell you that. You just try to maintain. S is equal to what I am writing? Python. Be careful. First, straightforward, I will say. What is the value of S? Come on. Right. So, S colon. What is that now? Come on. What is the begin? Come on. End. Stop it, all of you. Stop it. What is the begin here? 0 means first character. No beginning, no ending. That is first to last characters now. Which direction? Here, no beginning, no ending. Don't consider 0, 1 or something. No beginning. That means what? First to last. Which direction? Right. Now I am writing -1. -1 means which direction? If I write like that, what is an answer? What is an answer now? Python. What is the step there? +1. Which direction? From beginning to ending, forward direction. Now, I am writing what here? -1. Because of colon, what is happening? Python. -1 means what? Backward direction. What is the answer? Yes. NOHTYP. People will ask a question. How do you get the reverse of a string? How do you get the reverse of a string? Come on, come on. Reverse of a string. S is equal to what here? Java. Java. How do you print Java? Java. Colon. What it will give you? Java. Java. What it will give you? Java. What is the next one? -1 means which direction? What is the answer? That's all. Simple. Are you following? Every person will ask this question. How do you get the reverse of a string? Whatever it might be the big of it. I don't count the beginning. I don't count the ending. I will simply write what? Step -1. Are you following that? Come to the point of it. Step -1 always gives you what? Backward direction. Now I am writing. Don't answer wrong immediately. Colon -2. Colon -2. Slow. -2 means which direction? Backward direction. From where? Python only. Python only will come. -2 means what? N H Y. Answer is what? Beautiful. NHY. Are you following? Good. Next, S of colon 3. Come on. N T colon 3. P H. P. Good. Now I am writing what? -3. Answer please. NT or NTP? Good. Hold on. Are you okay up to here? Now, S of, be careful. 1 colon, 5 colon, -1. 1 colon, 5 colon, -1. A lot of people are ready to tell answer now. Ready to tell answer. First I said, that's what you people are not intelligent, not remembering. -1 means what? Backward direction. What is the condition? Begin must be greater than what? What is my beginning? 1. 1 greater than what? False. False means what? Space as a result. Be careful. What is this? Are you following this? This is called the result. Are you able to follow, guys? Now I am saying yes of, be careful. Now I am writing something like this. 5 colon, 2 colon, -1. Oh, hold on. I will tell you. 1 minute, ma. I will explain to you. No hurries here. 1 minute, please. P Y T H O N. THON. What is this now? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. What is this now? Backward direction. Okay. We understand backward direction. From where? Begin to end +1. Where is that now? Begin to end +1. 2 + 1. How much? 3. What is the step value? -1. -1 means backside 1 letter only will come. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is what? 4. 4 minus 1 is what? 3. Of course, 2 plus 1 is nothing but up to where it is. What is the answer? That's all. Are you getting it? Students in online students. So, is it clear for everybody? Online students. Now I will ask one more question. Yes, of. Keep the diagram open. Now I am writing 6 colon 1 colon minus 1, 6 colon 1 colon minus 1. Start. NO. NO. Do you have 6 there? No, from 6 it is coming. 5 onwards started. 5 to where? 1. 1 plus 1 is? So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 means take the bag and go to home. 1 plus 1 is called what? 2. That is a 5 to 2. Which direction? Backward direction. What is the step? Minus 1. Answer is what? That's all. Are you getting? One more question. S of something like, 4 colon, or I will write 5 colon, 5, 4 colon, minus 1. Come on. OH, PY. This is the diagram. 4 to 4 to where? Last. 4 to last. What is the value? Step value how much? Minus 1. What is the answer? Yes, that is an answer. Last I did not specify. From 4 to last it will come. 4 to last it will come. Are you following? Next, be careful. Be careful. Now I am writing plus 2, minus 2. Come on. Good. Following? Easy or difficult? Easy. But some of the students, easy or difficult, Saturday, if you there, that is easy or difficult, you will come to know. Almost 6 to 7 students I found out. They are not at all able to say any answer. That is their own hands. They are keeping themselves into the dig. Now next, no problem. Here I am writing colon minus 3. Colon minus 3. Come on. NT. Right. Now that is related to plus related symbol scheme. Now I am asking one more kind of thing. 4 colon 1 colon minus 2. 4 colon 1 colon minus 2. Come on. OT or OTP? Good. OT. Good students. Now I am going to say these are all called what? Positives I am using. Positives. But what is the step? Negatives I am using. Negatives. Now I am coming to S of. Now I am going to apply something like minus 1 colon minus 6 colon minus 1. Minus 1 colon minus 6 colon minus 1. Come on. Good. So that is nothing but what? First of all, minus 1 is which direction? Backward direction. And the step value is what? Minus 1 greater than minus 6 is called a true. So it is going to take it as what? Minus 6 to where? Minus 1. Which direction? How? Minus 6 plus 1. That is nothing but what? Minus 1. So the data is coming from where? Minus 1 to minus 5. Only will be coming. This is my data. Are you getting? Well, now I am going to write it. Now I am going to write it. Here I am going to write it. Minus 1 colon minus 1 colon writing here minus 1. Come on. Good. So, see the answer. Are you able to understand? Same reverse. Minus 1 onwards to last. So that is reverse of the Python. Are you able to get it? Next, I am going to write it. Now I am going to write it. Minus 100 colon minus 1 colon minus 1. Space. Space. Your simple, that is nothing but what? Backward direction. Minus 1 greater than minus 1 false. One more rule number 5 is, when I am retrieving in backward direction, when you mention minus 1 as an end, how can it go back? Minus 1 itself is an end you are saying. Minus 1 itself you are saying end. How can I go back? Minus n itself is the last you are saying, end you are saying. When you are saying it is an end, how can I go back? So that is one thing you can say. If you feel difficult about that rule number 5, you think about this condition. It is fail or not? Yes. Go to the next space. Understand? Next, S of minus 2 colon minus 6 colon minus 7 colon minus 7 colon minus 2. Minus 2. Answer. OTP or OT? Right, good. OTP. Now done, good. So those who understood, they understood everything. But those who did not understand, that will be the same thing. So now I am going to say minus 2 minus 3 colon minus 100 colon minus 3. Minus 3 colon minus 100 colon minus 3. Huh? Good. Good students. Now I am going to take up last and final. Last and final. Last and final. Minus, I will write it something typical question I will ask you. 2 colon 2 colon minus 1 colon minus 1. What is the answer now? Quickly. TH. Okay. Okay. Now colon minus 1. Answer. Space or OHT? Space or OHT? Sure. Good. Good. So see that. Which direction? Backward direction. What is the condition? False. Done. Now be careful. Now I am saying one answer. THO. 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 Already done this special points. Good students. Now I am writing yes of last and final. I am saying minus something like 200 colon 200 colon minus 200 colon minus 2. Answer. Answer is NH. Good. Good. Now I am writing minus 1. Python in reverse. Python in reverse. Simple. Got it? Nice. This is about another level of thing. Online students, I hope you are comfortable. This is comes under rule number 3. Rule number 3. Be careful. I hope you are getting it. All the people who understood, please respond it. Is it clear for everybody? Online students, is it clear for all of you? Offline students, what about you? Clear? Anybody not clear? Raise your hands. And those who are already present on Saturday, still today not clear about this rule, you can raise it. You can raise your hands. So they won't raise also hands because so Mayank Bhatt is raising the hand. So he was present in the Saturday or not, I don't know. Mayank, are you there in the class on Saturday? Mayank, are you there on Saturday? So not responding. Okay, students. Now I will go to what are the questions will be coming. So far, what are the questions came? I just want to mention it. Of course, that are very easy for you, not at all difficult. Now you are getting. Now I am going to ask some rule number 4 I want to cover. Rule number 5 also I want to cover. Now see, in this case itself, there is a rule number 5 is there. In backward direction, if the end value is what? -1. End value -1 means what? -1 means backward direction. Ending is at the starting point of backward direction. That itself no output. If you feel difficult to understand that rule, you apply the condition. Begin greater than -1 is false, no? 2 greater than -1. 2 greater than -1. What is this direction? Backward direction. Backward direction. What is this condition? This one, true. But I am talking about here. This is becoming true. 2 greater than -1. True. What is the answer is coming? Space. You have to understand the diagrammatically. What was the ending point? -1. You are saying end is equal to what? -1 place. And you are trying to get in that backward direction. Backward direction means it has to open the door to go back or not. But it is saying stop here only. What is the value? Space. So I am writing here. I am writing here. Rule number 5. When we extract the data, when we extract the chars or value from, or I will write like this. If we specify the end index value as -1, if the value of end index is -1, and when we retrieve in backward direction, and if we specify the end index is -1 and the direction is what? Direction is what? Backward direction. Or I will write, and the step value is what? Minus. In the bracket I will write what direction? Backward direction. Then we get what? Result as space. Rule number 4, same thing. When we specify, if we specify the begin index as 0, if the step value is what? Positive. That is nothing but which direction? Forward direction. Then we get the result as what? Space. Let me speak about that. So here I am writing here. S is equal to Python. S is here. S of, say here, I am writing 2 colon -1 or something, 6 colon -1 colon -1. What is the meaning of that? What is the ending? So which direction? -1 means last. You are saying stop there only. It is not allowing to come back. What is the result? Space. Next, I will write it. Now I will write it. Python programming. Python PROG colon. I am writing something. Begin I am not writing. Ending I am writing. Colon -1 I am writing. Which direction? Backward direction. Backward direction means from which character? Last character. You are saying last character itself is an end, you are saying. What is that -1 indicates? End. Stop at where? -1 place. What is an answer? Space. Are you getting my point? Yes. Now I am going to say one more thing. S is equal to Python only. That is a rule number 5 related. Print of S students. Now I am saying now, here I am writing something like 0 colon or something like, of course, 3 colon 0 colon 1. What is the answer? 1 means which direction? Forward direction. From where? 3. 3. Actually, this condition itself is false. You are ending in where? 0. So which direction? So begin only you are saying stop. Don't go forward. That is nothing but what? Space. Now I am writing here something like 6 colon 0 colon 2. What is the answer? Plus step, ending is 0, also space. Now I am writing Python programming, Python space PROC. There I am writing, here I am writing colon 0 colon 3. Space. Why? End index is what? 0. What is the step? 3. 3 means what? Positive. But end index is what? 0. What is the answer? Space. Getting my point? Yes. This is the way how you can take care of these rules. This is rule number 1. Rule number 4 and 5. Rule number 4 I will mention. Here I will take up rule 4. Rule 4. Examples. Little careful enough in this case. So S is equal to Python here. Got it? S of 6 comma like this. Now I got the answer like spaces. Totally spaces here. Totally spaces. Now done. Now this is the point. Print of S is given and done. This is also 0. Rule number 5 this is. Rule number 5 examples. Here I am writing. Take up this. 1 minute. So here I will take it. Rule number, I hope, reverse station. Okay. No issue, students. I'll cut it here. This is rule number 5. I say this. You paste this ma. So got it. So you say in this case, coming to this Python here, space is a result. Next is called this one. Got it. Done. And rule number 5, examples are like this. This is what is the total coding of these things. So students, I hope these rules are clear, right? And this concept will be coming across in all the moments wherever slicing concept is coming. Wherever slicing concept is coming, this will be continued till the end of the data science also. Even in NumPy pandas also, when I'm explaining 3-dimensional data structures also, this will be continued. Once you are good, almost today itself, you can conclude, you can understand 30% of coding like anything. 30% of the coding. If you don't know, we can't help it. Provided in the Saturday and all those days, you must present. Especially to my classes, one day you are absent, next day definitely handicapped only. That you take care. Now I'm going to talk about some special points. Some special points I'm going to talk about it. So there I'm going to explain. Now I'm going to say, there is some concept is there in our programming languages. Even you might be seen that word is called what? Palindrome. Have you heard about the word palindrome? You take the word called literal. Literal. What is the reverse of literal? Literal. So it is known as what? Palindrome. Next is called what? Mom. Is called what? Palindrome. Next is dad. What is that now? Palindrome. Madam. What is this now? Palindrome. Palindrome. Are you following? Next is called race car. RACE, race car. What is this now? These many are palindrome. Now, last one is not palindrome. Like that. Next is called what? Radar. RADAR. What is this now? Palindrome. Following. Next is called what? WOW. What is that? So it is also called what? Palindrome. Spell out that. What is that? Palindrome. Python I am writing. Python I am writing. What is the reverse of Python? Not a palindrome. Not a Hyderabad is what? Not a palindrome. Right? 8558 is called what? Palindrome. 121 is called what? 1221 is what? Palindrome. Number palindrome, string palindrome. Are you able to follow? Like this. Important. Now I'm going to say something like this. They will ask you. Some specialized questions I'm asking. Try to understand. Little double equal to. See students, double equal to is used for equating two values. Equating two values. 10 double equal to 10. They are checking the equality. It gives you what? True. 10 double equal to 11 if I write, it is a false. False. This I will explain. In the relational operators, I will explain. Relational operators, I will explain. Right now, don't worry. Come on now. Little is equal to, they used to ask this question. Little of colon minus 1. Little colon, little double equal to little of colon minus 1. True. True. Little. Little of colon minus 1 is also little only now. So, come on, what is the answer now? True. True. Because it is a palindrome. Next is called what? One student is showing noon. Noon of what I am saying? Colon minus 1. You have to ask me. Okay. Simply going means I'll get doubt who are you? Okay. No problem. When you want to go somewhere, not tell me. If you simply leave it now, what leaving in the bag, leaving directly, we'll get a doubt about it. We'll get a doubt. By leaving some bag and leaving now, what is there inside the bag, we don't know. So when you are leaving now, tell us where are you going so that we will have completely without fear. We keeping bag there and simply leaving means what we will do outside, I don't know. Right. Oh, come on, what is the answer? 1 minute. So he disturbed the class, simply going out. So now come on to the point. Noon. What is the answer? True. True. Next I will write race car double equal to race car of colon. Answer. Come on. True. Colon minus 1. True. What it will give you? Race car only. To that I am applying what? Race car. Reverse, originally everything is same. It is called what? True. Now I am asking Java is equal to Java. Now I am writing colon minus 1. Colon, 1 minute. Why are you exciting by yourself? Colon minus 1. Colon minus 1. Answer. Answer is true. Answer is true. So why? This is getting reversed, and reverse of the reverse is called original. Reverse is equal to original. Reverse is equal to what? Reverse of reverse. Reverse of reverse is inverse normal. So the answer is what? True. If I write it like that, only like this, it is called what? False. Getting? Yes. Next I am going to write it. It is read out. Huh? Abracadabra. Read out properly. Is equal to, 1 minute, is equal to, this I will take up, colon minus 2. Obviously false. So this is the data. Abracadabra is minus 2. This is the 1. B, A, B, D, and then K, and like that you'll get it. This is definitely what? So I did not write what? Double quotes here, I wrote it. 2 double quotes I wrote it. What is the answer? False. Are you able to follow? Next, last and final. 8558 8558 colon is equal to 8558 8558 colon minus 1. Also true. Also true. Complicated question. 8558. Come on. Answer it. True or false? Option A true. Option B false. Option C type error. Option D value error. That is called what I am saying today, syntax error. So basically, this is which type? STR. This is which type? Numerical type. Comparison of both of them is wrong in format. Wrong in format. So you are going to get it what? False. False means what? String is not equal to what? Numerical number. That is definitely called what? False. Not in good comparison. Not in good comparison is nothing but what? False. Simply students, KVR is equal to 10. Not equal. Equal? No, no. No means what? False. Are you able to get it? Now, come in. Now, coming to the point back, this type of things I will try to keep it here. So here, one more last question I will ask you. Of course, this you almost understood. Can you adjust by yourself? Can you adjust by yourself? Right. Last and final. Something like, madam of colon 2 is equal to madam colon minus 2. Colon minus 2. Quickly. True. What is the answer here? MDM. What about this? Yes. So, true. Okay. Next. Of course, you can answer it. No issue. LIRIL colon minus 2 is equal to LIRIL colon 2. Also true. Also true. Because when I say this now, L or L. What about this? L or L. That is also going to be like this. Are you able to follow? Yes. This is also you understood. This is another part of it. Any more doubts here? No doubts. So if anybody asks this type of string related things, will you answer it? Fine. This type of things is comes under part 1 only. This is part 1 only. Part 1. Part 1. Part 2 is another. After the loops, after the operators, I will tell you. Very soon we will complete the data types and we'll go to where? Operators. After that, STR part 2, I will tell you. And don't ask me, sir, you forget string part 2 and going. This I will explain after the operators. So until that, we will be moving further with the data types and further. Did you understand this now? So coming to back to the STR now. Coming back to STR once and then C once. Here the discussion going on from last 2 days. What is STR? Definition of STR, notations of STR, types of STR, syntax for storing STR data, memory management indexes, operations on STR data, slicing operations, most important examples on it. How many slicing syntaxes? 4. 5 or 4? 5. Correct. 5. So what is the first one? STR of begin colon end. Next is what? S of begin colon. Next is what? End. Next is what here? Colon. Next is called what? Begin colon, end colon, step. Next like this. Now see students, when somebody asks you colon like this, what is your answer here? Here, beginning. Beginning. What is here? Ending. What is here? What is the beginning value? First character. What is the next ending here? Last character. No step. What is the value? Plus 1. Did you understand? If I write -1, what is that? Same thing only. Which direction? So everything depends on what? Step. Step is negative, backward direction. Step is positive, forward direction. This is the most important techniques. Okay. This is related to which data type? STR data type. Go to the data types once. Now I'm going to take up. Please look at students. Data types in Python. What is completed? STR is completed. After STR is completed, you will read out that STR once here. Sequence data type. You observe it once and follow. Read out now, students. The purpose of sequence category data type to store a sequence of values on where? STR. Good. 1 minute. See, go to that. The indexing, very, very important point I am covering. Next is called what? Slicing. Operations will be applied only on iterable objects only. Iterable objects only. Sir, what is the iterable object? An iterable object is one which contains multiple values. Which contains what? Multiple values, but not possible to apply on single valued data types. Single valued data types you cannot apply because single valued data types are what? Fundamental data types. Fundamental category data type stores what value? Single value. On single value, you cannot apply what? Indexing and slicing. Look at ma. I will write the note. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very, very important. Print of what? A. All of sudden, recent question, this is A of 0. A of 0. First answer, they will give you what? 1. Second answer, they will give you 5. And then next answer, they will give you something like, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also they will give. Some D answer is called what? Syntax error or something they will give you. What is the answer? Most of them will go for this. Most of them. And those who know the subject, the answer which I said now, that is error will come. It is not int is not a iterable object, you will get it. See students, read out. Int object is not subscriptable. Subscript means what? Writing that 0 and everything is called subscript. Subscript to superscript. That is not possible on integer data. Next, 123.45. Print of A. A of what? 2. You will get what? Same thing. Next is called what I am saying. A is equal to what? True. A of what? 0. Same answer. A is equal to 2 plus 3j. Print of A. A of 0. It is going to give you what? Same. Able to follow? Is the most important one. One more. Last and final. Of course. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Numerical data only available in where? STR. Yes. Print of what? A comma type of A. Type of A. It is called STR. Now you can apply. How you can format it, ma? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the data you have? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is it now? Yes. A of what? 0. What is an answer? A of 5. What is an answer? 4. Spacer. So that is correct. 5 is not there now. 5 is not there. It is called index error. Space is a wrong answer. So A of 0 is called what? 1. A of 4 is called what? 5. A of 5, it is an index error. Already mentioned in my class. If the index is wrong, index error. Did you understand? Now I am writing A of colon minus 1. Answer is what? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A of minus 1 colon 2. What is an answer? Come on. That's all. That's all, correct. So 531. This will give you reverse now. Reverse. In the reverse, what are you applying? Colon, colon 2. What is the answer? 5, 3, 1. That's all. Easy. Like that. I want to get it. So somebody will ask you tomorrow like this. Of course, these are all you have to apply your talent. I want to get it. 1 I want and 4 and 5 I want. They will ask you 1, 4, 5 I want to print. 1, 4, 5 I want to print. That time you should not, my sir did not explain. No. You have to apply your intelligence. 1 is present in where? A of 0, comma, A of what? Minus 2 colon. Minus 2 colon. What is the minus 2? What is the minus 5 value? Minus 1. What is the 4 value? Minus 2 to last. Madhubabula, come on. What is the A of 0? 1. Minus 2 onwards. So, me చెప్పాలంటే చాలా కష్టం అసలు. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, the data is what now? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the A of 0? 1. A of minus 2 colon. Already explained. Minus 2. Beginning specified. Minus 2 to like this. I did not specify plus step also. Step I did not mention. It means what? Positive direction. What is the answer? 4, 5. Answer will come as what? So print of. I will write it. A of what? 0. And A of what? Minus 2. Minus 2 colon. Minus 2 colon. 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5. Inka meeku sir, now you don't want that gap. You, whatever you say, I will write it. Of course, that plus and all those things I did not say so far. I'll explain. So many tricks I will explain. Tricks now that are called MCQs, high-end level companies will ask you. So many things. Okay. So I'll go for, I'll tell you in the further how to enter your English word. Enter a word. Enter a word. Surprise. Surprise. I want to get a synonym. Synonym for surprise. Antonym for surprise. And one sentence of surprise. This is called, comes under NLTP, natural language processing, data science level. I'll tell you this. Next, I want to send a WhatsApp message after 5 minutes. I want to, WhatsApp message should come automatically to you. And you want to send a happy birthday at the midnight 0000 time. Happy birthday message should go. Your laptop is on. You're written. You're sleeping. And if you don't send the message, the other person will feel very bad. And you need to send the message 0000 time. Compulsory message has to go. Actually, you are not sending. You already slept at 7 o'clock only. But you have written a laptop. In laptop, you have written a code. What code? How to send a WhatsApp message? At what time? 00 colon 00. 00 colon 00 means what? Exactly midnight 12 o'clock. Your program is ready. The moment when system time is 000 time, happy birthday, that message will go. They will think that for me waiting at 12 o'clock and everything. Like that also you can do. Right? And later I will tell you one more example. So I'm saying in English, I am KVR, Python faculty. This is English. Convert into what? Language translation. I want to translate in Hindi. Hindi I want to translate. How can I say this in Hindi? You know that. This I want to convert to Hindi. Suppose I will say up. Up means what? Hindi. Like that I want. Down. Hindi, like that. I will write a big story in English. That English story I want to convert into what? Hindi. I will convert it. That is called what? Telugu students don't ask, sir, I want to convert to Telugu. You don't ask that because you may like your mother tongue, but Telugu translation not yet taken place in the Python because Telugu is a difficult language because so many letters are there. So coming to the point, all those things I'll explain, provided you must have presence in my class. If not present, I will not come to your room and I will not open the door and what are you doing? I won't say that. You have to be in the class. Shall we move forward? Right, students. Now I'll move to the further. And do you think that writing that entire lines of text more amount of time? Never. It takes few lines of code and I will explain that. Okay, now? Let's start with the further topic. Next, I need to go for what? Bytes. Before going to the bytes, in every batch, after this STR is completed, I would like to explain one beautiful topic called typecasting functions. I will explain. Typecasting functions. Typecasting functions I want to explain, which is the more important in Python programming. In any language also, it is most important. I don't know in other languages you are perfect or not. In C language, actually it is available. So whether you know C language or not, I don't know, but that should be known. And without that typecasting concept, we are learning in Python. So now I'm going to talk about what? Typecasting functions in Python. After this typecasting functions are completing, I'll go to the bytes data type. Because while I'm discussing this bytes data type, while I'm discussing this data types in our class, lot of other topics also involving with this. Because when I go to bytes, I'm going to tell you what their bytes belongs to what. I'm going to say conversion is required. From which type? Some type to another type conversion is required. That time I'll go for which concept? Typecasting concept. While I'm discussing those things, I will discuss next what again? Mutable and what objects I'm going to discuss? Immutable objects I'm going to discuss. Because these are all involved with the data types. So I have to discuss that and I have to move forward. Shall we start up? Right. Online students, people confirm it. All of you confirm once. Shall we start this topic now? Yes. Now let us answer my question. What is your value now? Those who are absent on Saturday, now you will understand. Now you will understand. Whatever the topic we discussed so far on Saturday, absent students, you cannot. Now you will understand. What is your value? I am asking now. On 26/12, on 26/12/2023, what is your value? Please. What is your value? Student, no? Your value student or not? Student, what are you thinking? What are you thinking, student? What is your value? Student. After 3 months, after full stack Python is completing, after 3 months or 4 months, March ending or April beginning or April ending, what is your value? So Python full stack developer, that is called Python full stack developer you are. So the value changed from one type to what? Another type. Your name remains same, but your value changes from one context to what? Another context. After it's 1 year or 2 years, you will become what? Team lead. Team lead. Provided if you read the notes. Otherwise, you will become different lead you will become. So next after that, something else. So value changing during what? Context changes. Similar manner, this mechanism is called something like what? Typecasting mechanism. Are you able to understand? Now, coming to the point back, what is the value here? 10. What is the type of 10? Come on. Int. It is int. I want to represent this data as what? 10.10.0. 10.0. What is this value called? Float. Which value I am converting into which value? Int type value converted into what? Which is known as what? Typecasting. Typecasting. Now what is this value here? 10.75. Which type? Float. Converted into what? 10. Beginning. What is this data called? Int. What is this value called? Float. So float to what is converted? Int, which is known as what? Typecasting. What is the definition of typecasting? The process of converting one type of value into another type of value is known as what? Typecasting. Don't think that all types of values can be converted into other type. For example, Python. cannot be converted into what? 1, 2, 3, not possible. 1, 2, 3 cannot be converted into what? That is not possible. All sorts of typecasting cannot be converted. Right or not? A student can be converted into what? Software engineer. Software engineer, possible. Some XYZ student cannot be converted into what? Whether I am there or you are there, when we do some other activities, student means what? Don't think that. Suppose there X is one person. X is one person. The X is becoming monkey. Possible? Huh? Not possible. Monkey activities can be done, but it will not be called like that. So the point is, it is impossible and this is not possible. This is possible. Correct or not? A dull student can become clever provided practicing. This is called typecasting or not? Yes. So students, now I'm going to say Lohit Kumar. Good. Now I'm going to write it. What is the definition of typecasting, ma? The process of converting one type of possible value. I'm writing one type of possible value into what? Another type of value. Another type of value. Another type of value is called what? Typecasting. First of all, when I'm explaining concept must be clear. Because in the concept, small idea will be there. That idea we will go very elaborated in the examples programming. Understand? Generally, what we do in academics, theory, buttifying. That's why these many additionals will become in exam answer. We'll get 100 out of 100. You write the program very well, you will get 100 by 100. Correct or not? Same thing. Coding is most important. Did you understand this definition? Yes. In Python programming, actually students, we have 13 typecasting techniques are there. 13. But fundamentally, we have 5 typecastings I am introducing now. Now I am introducing. Rest of the 8 I will explain after this 5 are completed. Are you following? Why 5 I am introducing? Because the 5 data types I completed, correct? That's why. If I introduce that, rest of the data types you can understand. Up to dict you can do. Non-type typecasting is not there. Out of 14, 13 typecasting techniques are available. So coming to this point now, in Python programming, we have 5 fundamental typecasting techniques. 5 fundamental typecasting techniques. 5 fundamental typecasting techniques. So 5 fundamental typecasting techniques. They are very, very easy. Which data type you learned already? Int. Second one, float. Third one, bool. Next one, complex. Next one, good. Hold on. str. Students, I said already one simple word called function. Did you remember the word function? Function is meant for performing operation. Print of is a function name which will display the data or not. ID of which will give you the memory address. len of which will give you the length of the string data. Length of the data. Are you following me? Say similarly, today we are going to say int is the data type. Today we are saying int of. Spell out. Next, float of. Next, bool of. Next, complex of. Next, str of. What is this int of is doing? Converting float value into int, bool value into int, complex value into int, str into int. So many examples I will tell you. Next, come to float. What float will do? Int into float, bool into float, complex into float, str into float. That is called what? Float conversion. So if I take one, rest of them I will convert into that area. If I take str, I will convert all sorts of values into what? str. This type of conversion totally I will tell you. Are you following? How many fundamental typecastings are there? 5. Spell out those. Int of, float of, bool of, complex of str of. Next, I will go for int of, I will explain int of. So that I will explain in the next class because time is also not sufficient. 7:37. Tomorrow class when I come back, I will go for discussing completely about this typecastings. I will explain. So many examples will be coming into this. So before leaving, did you understand this typecasting techniques here? Did you understand this typecasting functions fundamentally? So after going to home, you try to practice these operations on STR students. Be perfect. Thank you. All the best. Don't miss tomorrow class.